Hey guys, today is August the 13th of 2018 and I want to go over the uranium sector using double D Gann price and time technical analysis. So please pause the video and read the video disclaimer. Alright guys, it's been a while. I've covered the uranium sector. I've gotten a few emails. Where you at? Australia's all good, but give me an update on uranium. All right. I'm going to give Australia a break. I already got my positions set, got my target set, and just going to let it unfold. So let's go to the uranium sector. Before we do that, let's go into the futures. You know how we do things here. We look at the futures market, and you can see that the futures made a low, just to keep you up to date, on 11/9 of 2016, and look at all the wave counts, and this is where we at right now. Very bullish. We hit this level right here, so we got some resistance. I think we're probably gonna have a pullback and maybe test this up here, or maybe even go higher, and then see what's going to happen. But so far, those are the counts. We're in a linear regression channel. We hit the resistance up here above the moving average, so that's bullish. Pullback most likely will come and then complete a wave 5. And I'm not saying that, it's going to complete it here. It could go higher. And timing-wise, I don't know why I have this here. But it's there, so I just kind of lined it up there. But this is a futures market, so this is what the futures are telling us. But there's a big disconnect with the futures and the URA ETF. This is the URA ETF, and my last video, I think it was a recap. It was not an official uranium video, but it was like a recap of things that I saw in the market. And made some calls, and we just revisiting to see if the calls are accurate, or they were good, or they were bad, or they sucked. So, recap, let's go way back. So somewhere around here, I was telling my subscribers and followers, hey, don't go long uranium. Don't go long uranium. Whatever you do, just hold back and let it unfold, because there's a big pullback coming. And long and behold, a nice big pullback came, popped up, came down, came up again, didn't get any Momo, low volume, and it tanked. So right now, if you do a trend line from here to here, it's finding resistance here. I think it's going to go lower, but let me back up so you can kind of see. This is my Gann grid, and from here in November, we did a nice big impulse wave. This is the 1 by 1, so we're in the bear camp, nothing bullish around here. And this is where we're at. I think it's going to go lower. I wouldn't buy it. Level-wise, I don't know where it could go. It could retest this low right here, 1223. It could retest this 1183. And it could even maybe retest 1168, depending how much Momo does it get. There's another stock I follow too, UEC. And you can see that it was a nice little consolidation pattern here, back and forth, and it popped all the way up here, 189, hit resistance, and now it's selling off. And I guess it's following URA. But you see the divergence between the futures, very bullish. I should take this thing. I don't even know what this thing is. Yeah. See the divergence? Futures are going higher. Let's close that. Oh, look at that. I clicked on an ad. Somebody made 10 cents. Yay. We going higher on the uranium sector, on the future, but we're tanking down here on the stocks. URA, same thing. So let's look at our forecast model. Let's look at what we got here. Future is saying that the uranium sector is going to go down all the way up to the 23rd. 23rd. So what day is that? The 23rd, Thursday. So we'll see. I haven't done any statistical analysis on this to see what August beholds. I don't know if it's bearish or it's bullish or it's just, obviously, it might be, if anything, bearish because we've just been going down to hell. So we'll see. But I'll revisit it and look at it. Maybe in my future video, I'll see what August holds in September. But just glancing at this model, it says that we're going to make a low somewhere around there. Possible. I'm not going to say it's going to be a low because you guys are going to freak out. But possibility could be that there's this low on the 23rd-ish. Give it a little wiggle room. Pop up to the 2nd. Pull down to the 14th. And maybe shoot up. And maybe I like to get, if anything, to get in looking at the price action somewhere around here. These dates. Didn't get my arrow. What's going on here? Ah, there you go. And then shoot up all over there. Get a nice little swing onto the 19th. This is what the forecast model is saying. So we shall see how this pans out. I think that's it for today. I just want to give you a quick update because I got a few followers saying, hey, give us an update on uranium. It's not looking too good. Well, my last market cap video, you can look it up. I'll put it at the end of this video. I was showing that, chances are we're going to go down. And we're going to continue going down to maybe the 23rd of August. I'm going to sign out. I'll keep you posted. Maybe my next video might be the spot. I haven't done a spot. And I know I got a lot of followers that follow me because I do the uranium sector. So let's see. I'm going to look at what spot is doing, and we'll take it from there. But there's definitely a disconnect. I am not going to lie. There's a big disconnect. I was expecting uranium futures to sell off with the URA, but I got to see what spot is doing. I don't know if it's higher or it's lower. Look at the big pictures, and these are monthly close. So I'm going to look at where we at in August and then take it from there. I'm going to sign out. Make some money. It's tough out there.